Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you add the full pipe version in CapCut PC. So first, you can select the videos or photos you like to edit and select effect, insert video effect and the select distortion and here's the full pipe version. This is a pro effect. You have to join pro first to be able to use this effect, so add to the track if you don't mind it. Just for the sunlight and gets at right. Okay, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Cheers.